Shown here is a model kit of a 66 Imperial convertible that I made some time ago. It's finished in a sprayed on metallic teal paint, and it shows one of my favorite models of Imperial. There's that rear end treatment. And there's the interior that shows off well. Matching interior with the exterior paint. Another profile in the front end. And let me take the hood off, and you can show you the interior of the engine compartment. So I really enjoyed putting this together, and I appreciate you watching this. And there's the underside. So thanks very much for viewing this model kit of Imperial.